Millions of women and their health providers are currently in limbo after conflicting opinions were handed down last week from two federal judges on the legality of the key abortion medication, Mifepristone. More than half of all abortions in the country are currently performed using that pill. Ike Jachi is in Washington with the very latest.
On Friday, a conservative judge in Texas ruled that the FDA had wrongfully approved the drug Mifepristone, which has been in use for 23 years. The pill is used in more than half the abortions performed in the U.S. An anti-abortion group had filed a suit seeking to block access to the drug.
The FDA has to go back. It has to be transparent with the public about the studies that it relied on to make its decisions.
Legal experts say the judge's ruling was not based on whether people should have a right to access the pill or not.
5 million people have been able to safely end their pregnancies using this drug.
If the Texas judge's ruling goes into effect, drug manufacturers will have to halt production and distribution of Mifepristone in the entire U.S. market, impacting millions of women. The ruling comes 9 months after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. The Biden administration and reproductive rights groups expressing their outrage.
This decision further stripes away Americans' fundamental freedoms and interferes with a woman's ability to make decisions about her own body.
Several states have already announced plans to stockpile.
One single judge in Amarillo believes that he has the authority to overrule 23 years of access to Mifepristone.
But on the same day the Texas ruling came down, a judge in Washington state issuing an order to the FDA to protect access to Mifepristone. The Justice Department immediately filing their appeal to the Fifth Circuit Court, seeking an emergency stay of the Texas judge's order so it does not go into effect. And today, more than 250 drug and biotech companies releasing an extensive statement chastising the Texas ruling on the abortion drug. Ike Jachi, ABC News, Washington.
Well, State Attorney General Chris May is saying that the pending multi-state lawsuit against the FDA over Mifepristone means Arizonans can still legally access the drug for now. She said in a statement today, quote, "I remain firmly committed to fighting for every Arizonan's right to make personal medical decisions in consultation with their doctor, their family, and faith."